Regional weather synopsis for the United States, April 26th, Tuesday evening. Storm system formed earlier today along a front which was situated from South Texas to the northeast. This low-pressure system moved along the front up to the northeast and was responsible for bringing precipitation, some of it heavy, falling as rain from the northern Gulf into the northeast. The storm system was also responsible for bringing thunderstorms to the South Texas area, which was bringing some relief to the drought. Cold air behind the front will be wrapping itself into the Great Lakes area tonight, and especially tomorrow. Precipitation associated with some of the clouds on the backside will be falling in especially northern Lake Michigan. Precipitation will fall as snow into that area, or at least a mix of rain and snow. The coldest day of the week arrives in the Chicago area for tomorrow, along with much of the Midwest. It's not clear how cold temperatures will be in Chicago, but temperatures will be much colder near the lake. Temperatures might make it into the 50s further inland. A minor system moves across the area Thursday evening to Thursday afternoon, bringing some sprinkles into the Chicago area. That minor system moves across the Midwest. But the more significant storm system moves from the Montana area into the Wyoming. By Friday morning, the system will be over in northern Texas or southeast Colorado, pushing into southeast Nebraska by Shabbos morning, Saturday morning, into central Minnesota Sunday morning, and then up into northern Wisconsin and the international border by Monday morning. Precipitation moves through the Chicago area starting on Shabbos. That's the time when we will have the steadiest rain, along with some thunderstorms that could be expected into the evening. Some more showers possible Sunday afternoon into the evening, as a slow-moving system to our north keeps clouds in our area. Afternoon and evening showers are possible again on Monday. Warmer temperatures for Shabbos, as we will be on the warm side of the system. Temperatures warming into the low 60s with higher dew points as well. Temperatures remain in the mid-60s for Sunday and Monday for the Chicago area. But in general, most of the Midwest and the mid-Atlantic area into the Northeast is expected to have below normal temperatures for the next week. Hottest temperature in the U.S. yesterday, 96 degrees at Zapata, Texas. Coldest temperature 1 below zero at Peterson, Utah. Normal high for Chicago for today, Tuesday, 63 degrees. Normal low 44 degrees. Record high 89 degrees set in 1986. Record low 27 degrees set in 2006. High temperature yesterday at O'Hare Airport, 54 degrees, low 44 degrees. Midway, 59 degrees, low 47 degrees. Lakefront, 57 degrees, low 45 degrees. Aurora is usually the coldest in the mornings. Temperature there was 42 degrees yesterday morning. Waukegan, 44 degrees in the morning. Warmest temperature in the Chicago area was at Midway, which again was 59 degrees. Lake water temperature, 47 degrees, both at the Chicago shore and the crib. Chicago air quality is good. The most critical pollutant is ozone. Sunset tonight, 7:43 p.m. Sunrise this morning was 5:53 a.m. Hottest city in the country today, Phoenix, Arizona. Forecasted high 99 degrees. Minor cooling trend expected. Coolest day this week, Friday. High temperatures near 90 degrees. That high pressure ridge over in the desert southwest responsible for the heat moves eastward, bringing an end to the below normal temperatures in Texas. By Friday, temperatures sizzle back into the 90s. Rio Grande Village, Texas, highs between 105 and 110 degrees Friday afternoon. That will likely be the hottest city in the country for Friday. The only other area in this country which is experiencing warmth is in the southeast. Central Florida is having temperatures near 90 degrees. New storm system arrives on the coast. Tomorrow's forecast, just rain in the New England area, except for Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Possible snow near the lake in the New York area. Some snow possible for the northern parts of Pennsylvania. Could be some thunderstorms over parts of Florida. Some rain possible over southwest Texas. Rain possible over in West Washington. Minor area of rain over in northwest North Dakota and northeast Montana. An expansive area of thunderstorms develops for Thursday, going all the way from central Texas, even the southern parts of Texas, through most of Kansas except for the western areas, most of Nebraska except for the western areas, most of Iowa. These are thunderstorms, west Missouri, most of Minnesota in rain, eastern portions of North Dakota, South Dakota rain, all of Wisconsin rain, much of Illinois, chances of rain. This is a minor system, by the way. Southeast portions of Missouri, even the northeast portions, and south central and central Missouri, east central Missouri rain, northwest parts of Arkansas rain. Thunderstorms for South Florida, possible snow up in the northern parts of Maine, rain to the south of that. That brings this podcast to an end. Thank you for listening. I wish everyone a good night.